everyone, welcome back to Descora Talks. Hope you all are doing great. I am Tavishi Tanu, your host for the day. And guess what? आज हमारे साथ कौन है? Miss Nagma Khan. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everybody.
Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us today on Descora Talks.
Thanks for inviting me. That's a pleasure.
मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को आपके बारे में बताना चाहूंगी.
Yeah, go on.
Miss Nagma Khan, she is a NIFT and Nottingham Trent University alumni. She is a fashion designer, a fashion illustrator, freelancer, visual designer, a design tutor, and whatnot. Believe me, she's a complete package of talent.
I think sometimes I have split personality disorder, but yeah, I don't know how to explain that. Yeah.
You are just a complete package of talent, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
You're the person who has been inspiring me since the day you visited NIFT as an expert lecturer and hosted an eye-opening session for us young designers. It was totally inspiring.
Thank you so much. Like, it was really good to interact with you guys, and I should tell you, I learned a lot of things from you guys. It was wise awesome. Yeah.
It is always two-way. It is never one way.
Definitely.
So, shall we start?
Yeah, go on.
What are you doing these days? Quarantine कैसा चल रहा है आपका?
Quarantine was like I was struggling a lot because within quarantine I had to do a lot of freelance work, and freelancing during quarantine, because you can't meet the client and you can't meet the people and you just have to talk it through Zoom call and meeting. आपको video call के through interact करना पड़ता है, so वो एक personal connection थोड़ा missing लग रहा था. So this was work wise. Personally, I was chilling. I was completely chilling because these days I like to I'm liking isolation much more. So yeah, it was like 50-50 actually.
I
would say that's pretty good. Yeah.
This quarantine was very much needed. We all needed a break from our day-to-day activities.
Yeah. So these days, yeah, sorry.
आप एक ग्रेट फैशन इलस्ट्रेटर हो और टाइम के साथ साथ आपने एक्सोटिक स्टाइल डेवलप कर लिया है. सो हाउ डिड इट कम टू यू? कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन लाती हैं आप अपने साइड में?
So this doesn't have a very definite I don't have a definite example to like मैं ये idea कैसे convey करूँ. जो मेरा exotic style है, like it started from the childhood. Like the kind of things you like around yourself. Like I was very curious about how glamour world, fashion, film industry, theater would look from like different persona. So like the things you like and skill, when you combine these together, you create a style. So I think I wanted to keep it in a nutshell, how to create a style of your own. So yeah, so I liked human anatomy. I was fond of perfection and imperfection of human body. I loved the way clothes and any kind of fabric, any kind of accessory, jewelry that draped over body since a very young age. I was a science student, but you know what, like it did my best in my 12th exams, but there was still one illustrator inside me. So I knew about it. So first you should know what you are doing and how you're gonna do that. And also for making one style, don't be afraid of judgment, like what people gonna say about a particular style. It can be really rad, it can be very mellow, so like you have to be very open about it. Yeah, that's what
so
you have to do.
beginners के लिए what would you suggest? Any tools, a working style?
Working style, yeah, keep practicing because nobody is gifted. I would say people say that he or she is a gifted designer, gifted artist. I don't want to say I completely disagree with this, but practice can make anybody a good illustrator, artist, designer, whoever they want to be. So keep practicing every day. Do at least one scribble on corner of your page, like people used to do जब हम लोग maths class में बोर हो रहे होते थे और corner पे कुछ like I used to make eyes and heels and everything, these kind of things. So keep doing that actually, never stop. And what was the next question, sorry?
According to you, how far is it good to pursue fashion illustrator as a career? I mean, what are the different scopes for it? सिर्फ fashion illustrator ही नहीं, कुछ भी, कोई भी illustrator.
Yeah, illustrator, to be an illustrator, it's I think I want to put my words very carefully. Struggle is there, but like when you achieve something after so much of struggle, then you understand true value of that. So there is struggle. Then there is, yeah, people would say that illustration is a kind of art, but I would say like it's a cusp of art and design. So if you understand design and you can create art out of that, then you can pursue a really good career in being an illustrator, freelancer, fashion illustrator. But I have one suggestion: have something stable on one hand and keep doing what you like as an illustrator on the other hand. Like you have to play two roles actually. So right now I'm working as a motion graphic designer in one Netherlands based company as a
Wow.
full-time motion graphic designer, yeah. And at the same time, side by side, my Instagram like keep growing. So do it two ways, like keep something stable on the other hand, so that you don't feel like your creative energy is utilized, it is getting utilized. You know what I
It
mean?
is very much
Creative
needed.
energy, like it's so much around you, you want to utilize that. So yeah, I think that's the best way to do.
Yeah, and you have done numerous freelance projects. तो अभी इंडिया में फ्रीलांस मार्केट कैसा चल रहा है, और अगर मेरे जैसे एक न्यूबी को जाना हुआ तो कैसे जाएंगे? हाउ टू ओवरकम दोस चैलेंजेस दैट विल कम अलोंग द वे?
Yeah. So freelancing these days it's getting tough because of pandemic, lockdown.
Yeah.
A lot of industries have been going through breakdown, and like it's hard to get monetary benefits from the client. Like आपको client ढूंढना पड़ता है because market में अभी पैसा available नहीं है. So you have to play a bit smart. Most of the time Indian market में पैसा available नहीं होता है. So why we are working for? One is like a lot of people would say for exposure. Like, okay, I'll give you exposure and we can pay you later, or we can pay you bare minimum. So it's our responsibility. First, you have to compromise with the payment and just focus on keep getting famous, keep taking a lot of illustration projects because it makes you learn. There are a lot of quotes like famous, like don't do something for free if you are good at something. अगर आप किसी चीज में अच्छे हो उसको फ्री में नहीं करना चाहिए, बट उससे पहले एक पहचान बनानी पड़ेगी. तो पहले थोड़े में सेटिस्फाइड होके लाइक कीप अप्रोचिंग न्यूमरस कंपनीज, सबको ईमेल लिखना. सो वो एल एंड एल ऑफिशियल, एवरीबडी हैज देयर career page or contact us email, like bottommost footer of the website. Just keep sending random email like, yeah, I'm an illustrator, if you need any work of mine, make a really nice portfolio. If you keep practicing every day, you will automatically make a, I would say like इतना amazing portfolio बना लोगे जिसमें इतनी सारी चीजें होंगी. So I would say Instagram एक ऐसा tool है अभी, everybody is using it. You know why? Because it's very user friendly. You just have to keep scrolling it all the time. It's very like, tell me one app you are actually very active on.
Instagram, totally. Instagram and WhatsApp.
Yeah, I hope you're not getting influenced by my question. Like, मैं Instagram बोल रही हूँ तो ऐसा नहीं. Like, I would say that Instagram is very handy, so use it. Keep posting, like without thinking, oh, what other people will see. People will look at your work. They will contact you. Maybe compromise little bit with monetary part and just keep doing it. And once you'll achieve something, आपका काम magazine में publish हो गया, then that's it. You're famous. I won't say famous, but you will get known actually to the crowd. So yeah, I would say that's the key. That's the key.
That's a good
Tools,
way
I would
to.
say.
That's a good way to go to success. If you want to achieve something,
Yeah.
then Instagram is very useful these days because सब कुछ online हो गया है pandemic में.
Yeah, it's very user friendly, and anybody can use it. Anybody can make an account on that. It's very user friendly, and also keep following hashtags which are very popular every month. Study what kind of hashtags are popular. Keep using that. Be it Behance, be it Dribble, be it Instagram. So it will make you like known to other people, other designers, and people who are seeking good illustrators. So yeah, that's how people got to know about me, because I kept posting on Instagram.
आपने अपना मास्टर्स एनटीयू में किया है, सो हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस देयर? आपने अब्रॉड ही जाने का क्यों सोचा?
So it was like I wanted to, मैं actually different cultures के बारे में थोड़ा सा मुझे like I was very interested, like what people from other culture, what is their design process and how do they think. Being Indian, like we have a particular style, like Ajanta Ellora painting, sculptures of Khajuraho, and you would see everything Indian art has. It's very stylized, so we have a very particular identity of our own. So I would wanted to research like what people coming from different part of world, because Nottingham Trent University is very student friendly institute, and वहाँ पे बहुत सारे देश के लोग आते हैं. Like it's such a nice university, very welcoming. So it had variety of students. So it was a really good experience to work with them, and it was full of culture. So first you learn a culture, because everything starts from a culture, even be it art and design. So that was my main motive, to go to abroad and do research and increase my skills. Yeah, I would say that.
That is why we study history in our design career.
Yeah,
Because culture
yeah.
पढ़ना बहुत important है.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हाँ कल्चर पढ़ना इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि बिना उसके we are nothing. Without any nobody is born and raised without a culture. Everybody has certain culture within them. So I think we should keep studying it.
आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को क्या बताना चाहेंगी कि एनटीयू जाने का क्या सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस था? बिकॉज मैं बहुत श्योर हूँ काफी एस्पायरिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि अब्रॉड में पढ़ना चाहते हैं. सो प्लीज टेल अस द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस.
The selection process was very wonderful actually. So I was working as a fashion designer after I got placed in 2014 in one organization called CTA Apparels Private Limited. Very nice brand projects they used to take. But still somewhere I was very much interested in illustration. So I bought one Wacom tablet. And in my spare time I used to keep making illustrations of my own, very bizarre, very, I wouldn't say out of the box, but something very different. I don't have any definition to, I don't know how the exact words to define क्या चलता था मेरे दिमाग में. So what happened, I was thinking one day University of Arts London about, you guys must have heard about it. University of Arts London is a really good college. So I thought, I think I want to learn what other people are learning. So first I thought maybe I should try for University of Arts London. Then I researched about other colleges. Then I got to know about numerous colleges, and उसके साथ मुझे नॉटिंघम का भी नाम मिला, नॉटिंघम ट्रेंट यूनिवर्सिटी. तो वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग वाज रियली नाइस. एंड आल्सो आई डिड लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिसर्च. मैंने थोड़ा पता किया, अगर आपको अब्रॉड जाना है, निफ्ट एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहाँ पे आपको सही लोग मिलेंगे बताने के लिए कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज अच्छी हैं, एंड लाइक they will let you know what universities you should go. Maybe they have their friends, maybe they have been there themselves, like I went there, so I can tell you. Nottingham Trent University is really amazing, really student friendly, and very course oriented university. So portfolio ban gaya automatically, like I didn't know about it. I thought with University of Art London मैं Nottingham का भी फॉर्म भर लूँ. तो मैंने फॉर्म भरा. प्रोसेस में बेसिकली आपको थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छी रखनी होती है. दे आस्क यू टू राइट वन लेटर,
Like an essay.
letter about, yeah, like an essay, why you want to join the university, what are your goals, where do you see yourself in 10 years, and you know what, something really truly about you. Nothing like pre-decided, like मुझे ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है. You have to be really open about it, what do you want to do. So एक बहुत अच्छा ऐसे प्रॉपर प्रूफ रीडिंग किया हुआ एटलीस्ट 2-3 बार from somebody जिसका communication बहुत अच्छा हो. So luckily I had a lot of friends like who were scholars who are doing PhD from University of Stanford. So yeah, so really I'm really thankful to to that friend of mine. He did proofreading of my essay. So that essay, a good portfolio, a proper way to fill up the form very carefully. I sent everything, and luckily I got selected. 16 students got selected all over the world, and I was one of them. That was amazing. Like, I was so happy. Yeah.
This is a great achievement. Wasn't there any exam?
There was no exam. There was research-based paper submission. Your research paper, you need to submit it with proper practical and whatever you have studied in past 1 year. It is a 1 year course. So it was combination of both. Not exam, but they had a date of submission. So you just have to submit everything. Little presentation, a private presentation. And it was not too tough. It was really interactive. Nottingham Trent University is so friendly. You don't have to worry about your language problem. I have language problem. Like, I would say my मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. My Hindi is really great. I'm very confident about my Hindi. But still I'm learning English. Like, because I come from a Hindi medium background. So I'm still learning it day by day. So, but in that university, when I was giving my presentation, not one single time I thought, okay, I have to be careful. It was really friendly. They make you really careful. Amazing university. Yeah.
That is a very different way of selection. And you're a multidisciplinary designer. You know everything. You have a variety of skill set, from branding to UI UX, fashion illustration, graphic designing, and whatnot. You are a complete side hustler. So how are you doing this? इतना सब कुछ कैसे manage किया आपने?
I was asked one question. I don't know. In some organization I was working, they asked me, where do you see yourself in future? Like, what are your goals? I told them, like, I didn't tell them like I want to be director or I want to be a senior designer. My simple answer was like, I just want to be multi-skilled. That's what I want in my life. Like, नगमा खान को आप फोटोशॉप दे दो या Adobe XD दे दो या एक कैनवस दे दो, she can make anything. Like, I don't want to hear ये मुझे नहीं आता. That's it. Like, yeah, very simple answer to that. So yeah, I have a zeal to learn new things, and I'm still learning a lot of new things which are very popular among art and design community. So yeah, I never stop learning actually. That side. I think that could be a good answer for this question.
पैंडेमिक में तो सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया है. हाँ, आपको पता है ये ग्लोबली हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम चेंज हो गया है. स्कूल के बच्चे, कॉलेज के बच्चे सब ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं. सो वुड यू लाइक टू ओपाइन समथिंग अबाउट इट? बिकॉज क्या आपकी अकॉर्डिंग ऑनलाइन लर्निंग एंड सेल्फ टीचिंग इज इट एज गुड एज गोइंग टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट?
क्योंकि आपका क्वेश्चन पैंडेमिक से रिलेटेड था पहले, तो मैं थोड़ा उस पे आऊंगी. जब आप पैंडेमिक की बात कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे एक्चुअली लाइबिलिटी हो जाती है फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर. यू हैव टू स्टडी ऑनलाइन. बट बिफोर पैंडेमिक, एंड मैं प्रे करती हूँ पैंडेमिक जल्द चला जाए. So maybe after that, everything will be okay. I hope, pray to God. So I would say they both have their own different aspects. Like, we can't compare them. Self-learning, like, if you are a design student, I think 40% of things you self-learn. Like Adobe Photoshop, for example, जब हमने पहली बार पढ़ा, तो हमने बेसिक स्किल्स सीखे. बट उसके बाद जो एडवांस लेवल था वो हमने सारे YouTube ट्यूटोरियल हो गए या कुछ खुद से ही प्रैक्टिस करके ट्रायल एंड एरर से. सो you should have both somewhere. So like the way I'm giving you answer, you could see I believe in balance. I'm that kind of person. There should be a balance of two things. University education is pretty good because I went to Nottingham Trent University to learn from others. Very interactive, a very interactive way to learn design from different communities, from different countries. So this was my prime motive. University में पढ़ने का ये सबसे अच्छी बात ये होती है कि आप तरह के लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हो. कोई आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल देख लो, कोई होगा जो हैंडीक्राफ्ट में बहुत अच्छा होगा, किसी का मैथ्स बहुत अच्छा होगा, कोई बहुत अच्छा आई डोंट नो पैटर्न मेकिंग कर सकता है, कोई बहुत अच्छा टाइपोग्राफी में है। और जब आप सब लोग मिलके एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते हो तो वो प्रोजेक्ट कितना अमेजिंग बनता है। तो अ डिजाइनर इज ऑल्सो प्रोजेक्ट, मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट हूँ। मुझे भी ढेर सारे स्किल के लोगों के साथ बैठ के सीखना और समझना होगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई यूनिवर्सिटी इज इम्पोर्टेंट। अगर इन केस somebody doesn't have access of university due to certain some circumstances, self-learning can be a boon to them because you can control your own time. University बंद हो जाती है 5 बजे के बाद, but when you are self-learning, you can learn 24 hours, sleepless night. You have control. Udemy में कितने सारे courses हैं जो आप purchase कर सकते हो और जिंदगी भर आपके साथ हैं. You can keep playing them all the time. Like आप एक ही चीज को बार बार देखते हो, समझते हो, बट ये जो रिवाइंड बटन है यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं मिलेगा। लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं मिलेगा। अगर कोई मुझसे बीइंग आई वाज आल्सो टीचिंग इन निफ्ट पटना, सो अगर कोई मुझसे 10 सवाल पूछेगा मैं 10 बार उसका जवाब दूंगी बीइंग अ टीचर बिकॉज दैट्स माय ड्यूटी। बट मे बी 10वीं बार मेरा जवाब थोड़ा अलग भी हो सकता है। लाइक मैं कुछ चीजें भूल सकती हूँ, मे बी कोई और क्लास चल रही होगी मेरी। सो ह्यूमन एरर एक्चुअली when you are going through one online video जो पूरे अच्छे तरीके से फ्रेम करके सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के बेनिफिट के लिए बनाया गया है, you can play it multiple times, it won't change, so they both have their own perks, I would say। मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन की तरफ थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेरा inclination है because you learn a lot from others, but if you can't go to a university, which a lot of people I can understand, like online education can be like you have a rewind button, like you'll keep learning, so
we have downloadable resources,
like you are not missing out from anything।
काफी लोग तो आजकल इंस्टीट्यूट और सेल्फ टीचिंग दोनों साथ साथ करते हैं and they are doing great।
That is really important, that's really good, that's what everybody should do actually।
You also have a contribution in design education, so अब आपका प्लान क्या है?
Teaching was so lovely, oh my god, I loved it। At first I was so nervous, like how, like I used to sit with like that side of the bench as a student, and teacher, professor, honorable teacher, respected professor, they used to tell us, and I used to be like, they were like my heroes, I used to look up to them। So जब मेरी पहली क्लास थी, I was like, would I be that hero, like would I achieve that, like I didn't want to disappoint anybody, so it was amazing। My first class, it was so interactive and I could see that I am giving something to the society, like as a student I took something from our society, but being a teacher and educator and a practitioner, I am giving something to aspiring designers, and I could see on their faces that they are learning, and that feeling, that brightness, that shine, that I was like, oh my god, I was tripping, so I was completely tripping on that, so amazing experience। My next plan is I want to get skilled as much as possible, and I want to pursue this career in teaching, and I will keep taking guest lectures, maybe online classes, but I will never leave teaching। I think I can't completely afford that। Yeah,
there should always be a flow of giving and taking, sharing our knowledge, it is very important।
Really
you have done numerous projects on under Art of Football FIFA 2018 promotion, so what's the story? I mean, FIFA it is,
FIFA, like that was a surprise for me too। Most of the things in my life they are like surprise, but like all the time, what ये कैसे हो गया, इसका तो मुझे पता नहीं था। So life is full of surprises for designers and artists। तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा, एकदम से कोई तुम्हारी पेंटिंग ला के बोले अरे ये देखो 2 लाख में बिक रही है। There was one program happening in Nottingham Trent University, Grads for Not। It was internship program for students who are already studying and practicing within the university। So I just randomly filled a form and I just explained like why I want why I want to do a particular internship program. So they like you have to answer a lot of questions. So I filled the form. Questions like what kind of designer are you? What are your marks currently? Maybe something what extracurricular activity you are doing. So when you want to study abroad, extracurricular activity is really important because people are getting educated. Yeah, they are getting degrees, but what you are doing beside from degrees. So that is also really important. That one point I missed actually. So now I'm explaining you that. Keep engage yourself in extracurricular activities, be it poetry, theater. You tell me what it could be some extracurricular classes. Like, are you into some extracurricular practice yourself? Like any sports?
No, not in sports, but for example, I'm doing this hosting session because I want to build up my confidence and work on my personality. So this is also an extracurricular for me.
Definitely it is. Like you will beat stage fright forever, like by being a host. So like these kind of extracurricular activities. So I had to fill up the form, and they selected me on basis of that, the write-up. Until that time, I didn't know which company I was getting assigned. I just thought, okay, it must be a normal internship where I'll go and work with the team. But then they announced for FIFA World Cup 2018 promotion, Nagma Khan, and there were 2 more students, and I was like, wow, that would be something like really nice.
That was a big surprise.
That was a surprise. Yeah, I was really happy about it, and it was a really good advertising agency, Art of Football, based in Nottingham. They take freelancing projects for advertisement of various leagues, football leagues. Like it was one football league called Bundesliga of Germany. So they commissioned one animation for the promotion of their team for FIFA 2018. So we collectively worked on that within that, and it was like very agile. Like we used to keep on thinking like how we gonna frame everything, because it was stop motion animation, handmade actually. Handmade stop motion animation, it takes a lot of time. 1 second of frame it you have to make at least 50. So it was like a lot of brainstorming, very collaborative. I was working with animators, I was working with other illustrators, artists, graphic designers. So these guys, they were amazing. It was really, really nice experience. And when I saw that the artwork we made, that animation we made, we saw that during the promotion of FIFA 2018. Oh my god, that was something really crazy. So yeah, that's it. Like yeah, you just don't know. आप एक form भरो और वो तुम्हें कहाँ लेके जाए. So like
I would really want to see this.
Yeah, keep doing things and you just life will surprise you. Nice experience, I would say.
Beautiful experience सच में. So अभी तक आपका greatest achievement क्या है? कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जिसको लेके आप बहुत proud feel करती हो कि yes, अगर मैंने ये किया अपनी life में तो सब कुछ मतलब सब ये सब चीज.
Tough question. I am very critical of myself. Like I criticize myself a lot. So achievement की जब बात आती है, I get a bit awkward. Like मेरा क्या achievement है, तो कुछ भी नहीं किया life. So yeah, I'm very critical person. Keep criticizing myself. So if you talk about achievement, like I really admire Gandhiji. In my family. In my family, we really admire Mahatma Gandhi, and as a person, he was a Mahatma for everyone. So I got one very short project about him, 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, in which the project and the product, it was revolutionary. So one group of IITians and NITians, they were working on one very big exhibition, one installation, multimedia, multi-user screens, where you have seen Iron Man, right? Iron Man movies. So there is one like it's a very hypothetical screen. You click on something pops out like Jarvis. Very augmented reality oriented screen. So it's not like that, but they have a very sophisticated screen. You click on one thing, something will pop out, and it will open a lot of tabs. and one user is standing on the other end, and if he wants to see like, अरे तुम whatever तुम जो भी तुम पढ़ रहे हो, maybe मुझे भी जाना, what do? Give a swipe on that screen and put it will go to that user. So that was something very revolutionary product they were making, and on the occasion of 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, I was involved in that project and I loved that. मैंने वो project दिल से किया था because it was about my idol Mahatma Gandhi. So that was my greatest achievement. My family was very proud of me. They were like कि तुमने जो हमारे family के idol हैं उनके बारे में काम किया है, like, and not just like normal exhibition. It was very sophisticated, very tech oriented. So it was like an achievement. Yeah.
It surely is a great achievement.
Yeah.
I'm sure आप बहुत proud feel कर रही हो.
Yeah, like from my perspective, it was like really good. Like जो आपका idol है, आपने उसके विषय में कुछ लिखा है, कुछ बनाया है, कुछ produce किया है, और उससे दूसरे लोग interact करेंगे. Not just you or very limited people from rural background जो गांव से आ रहे हैं, जो लोग बहुत कम जानते हैं, वो उस screen के साथ कैसे interact करेंगे, कैसे सीखेंगे. And even the first world countries and उनका perception हमारे लिए change हुआ. Like actually people in India, they are building something very revolutionary. So yeah, that was amazing. An achievement.
This is such an interesting story.
So
Time for some fun. We have a quicker round. There I'll ask you some questions, and according to the rules, you have to answer whatever comes to your mind first.
definitely. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready. Yeah.
What's your best skill according to you?
Adaptiveness. I adapt things really quick.
Who is your role model?
Mahatma Gandhi. I've already said.
Expected. Ever had a creative block?
Yes, I did. Most of the time, I'm blocked. Oh my god. Yeah. I did.
Is there any best time of the day you get your creative calls?
Dreaming and having shower when I'm having shower and dreams. I get a creative call. Very weird, isn't it?
Very different, not weird.
Yeah.
Freelance or a 9 to 5 job?
Both.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself people asking, do you know this? And I'll be like, yes. That's it.
Wow. This is inspiring.
Yeah.
So here we are at the end of the show. It was lovely talking to you. आपसे आपका experience जानने के बाद मुझे काफी motivation मिल रहा है. And I'm very sure हमारे viewers भी काफी inspired होंगे. आपको ही inspiring.
I hope so. Like really, guys, it was lovely talking to you. It was lovely. It was really lovely to interact. Actually, I hope I put my words wisely and like it made sense basically.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
yeah.
You have inspired me, and you have inspired our viewers also today.
Thank you. Really.
Thanks again, ma'am, for joining us here today on Descola Talks.
Welcome.
And
You're
for-
welcome. I'm honored. Yeah.
For all of you, the link to her art account is in the description below. Go check it out and see for yourself what an amazingly talented person she is. Until in the next video, bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. Nice to see you. Bye.